Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready, the source that sends audio and the sync that plays it. Connect them to the same network and open the Relay app on each. Once done, grant microphone and network permissions and pick a matching sample rate because mismatched rates cause dropouts. Make sure you know the device IPs or host names. This is how they'll address each other. Now you're ready to initiate the Relay session and send the first test packet. You now configure the streaming parameters and create the connection. Enter the sync's IP and port on the source, select a low-latency codec like Opus, then start the stream. Watch the app's stats. Packet loss and jitter tell you about network issues, while CPU spikes hint at encoding strain. If audio stutters, increase buffer slightly or lower bitrate. If latency is too high, reduce buffer and prioritize the stream in your router. Keep tweaking until latency and quality balance. Finish by locking in the working settings. Fix the sample rate and codec so they don't drift, and save the profile for future sessions. If Wi-Fi causes drops, move to wired Ethernet or enable router co-S to prioritize the relay. If the sync never connects, check firewall rules and set up NAT/port forwarding on the sender's network. A quick app restart often clears transient issues. One key tip: if audio is inaudible, verify the sync's default output device. Sometimes it's routed to a muted or virtual device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.